Hi all, welcome to the new video of computer network. In this video we are going to discuss switching techniques and physical layer. Switching techniques deals with the method of establishment of connection between source and destination. In large network there can be multiple paths from sender to receiver. The switching technique will decide the best route for data transmission. Switching techniques is used to connect the system for making one-to-one communication. There are three types of switching techniques: circuit switching, message switching, and packet switching. In circuit switching, we have space division switches, time division switches, and in packet switching, we have datagram approach and virtual circuit approach. Coming to the details, the definition of switching techniques is it is the method of establishment of connection between source and destination. Here we have the first switching techniques, that is circuit switching. It is a switching techniques that establish a dedicated path between sender and receiver. This switching technique deals in a network that operates in a similar way as a telephone works. A complete end-to-end path must exist before the communication takes place. In case of circuit switching technique, when any user wants to send the data, voice, video, a request signal is sent to the receiver, then the receiver sends back the acknowledgement to ensure the availability of the dedicated path. After it receiving the acknowledgement, dedicated path transfer the data. Here see the picture. Here we have a source that called A and source B. We need to send message, three messages: message 1, message 2, message 3. There are 6 nodes: S1, S2, S3, S4, S5 and S6. Here is the path set from A to B, that is S1, S2, S4, S6. Here we can send the message. Communication through switching techniques has three phases. First one, circuit establishment, that is here is the circuit. Then data transfer the message, and circuit disconnect. After sending data, we need to close the circuit. So here are the advantages for circuit switching. These are: first one, in the case of circuit switching technique, the communication channel is dedicated and it has a fixed bandwidth. Moving to the disadvantages of circuit switching, once the dedicated path is established, the only delay occurs in the speed of data transmission. It takes a long time to establish a connection, approximately 10 seconds, during which no data can be transmitted. So this is about switching techniques. There should be physical connection between devices. There should be a dedicated path between sender and receiver. That is switching techniques. To establish switching techniques, we need three phases: circuit establishment, data transfer, and circuit disconnect. Now moving to the types technologies used in circuit switching, there are two types of technologies in circuit switching. These are space division switches and time division switches. First one, space division switches. Space division switching is a circuit switching technology in which a single transmission path is accomplished in a switch by using a physically separate set of cross points, and it can be achieved by using crossbar switch. A crossbar switch is a switch that has n input lines and n output lines. Space division switching has high speed, high capacity, and non-blocking switches. The number of cross points increases, the number of stations is increased. Therefore, it becomes very expensive for large uh, switch. The solution to this is to use a multi-stage switch. I need to explain multi-stage switch. It is made by splitting the crossbar switch into the smaller units and then interconnecting them. It reduces the number of cross points. If one path fails, then there will be an availability of another path. That is space division switches. It is a circuit switching technology in which a single transmission path is accomplished in a switch by using physically separate set of cross points. Now moving to another technology, that is time division switch. An old electronic switching system based on time division multiplexing principles. An input digitalized signals from a source is connected to an output trunk by assigning a group of bits from the input data stream to a to time in a high speed TDM output data stream. Time division switches are commonly also used as tandem switches, where time slots from an input TDM trunk are selectively connected to time slots in an output TDM trunk. In the next video, we will discuss message switching. So I need to give you a brief explanation. Thank you.